Want to know how to use Shortwave for PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your app.shortwave.com website right here, and you should be under this interface. Now, once everything is done, and in order to use it, it's super simple. So you should be seeing your interface by default, and once you have logged in, you should be under your official mail and links. Now you can switch it on the top left side by selecting inbox right here. You can switch from your to-dos, stared, snooze and much more. So you can also see your spams, all mail and also labels where you can just simply see calendar, finance, forums and much more just simply regarding Google. So it's basically Gmail but better. So you can also access your AI assistant by selecting this top left side right here and then just simply ask anything and it should automatically do the task for you. Let's say organize an email, so it should organize it for you. Next, you can just simply head to our settings on the top right side, just simply like that, and here you can see you can just simply set up your inboxes, set up your appearances, labels and integrations and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you use Shortwave on your PC. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.